Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a quick, short tour of two of Carnival Sunrise staterooms. These rooms are at the bow of the ship, up at the forward section. It's an ocean view room, no balcony, but you can walk out through the sideways to the hallway and go to the front bow section of the ship and have a look out there and see what's going on. And the second room is at the rear, at the aft of the ship, in the corner, and it's a wraparound balcony. Have a look. I snuck into these rooms during a back-to-back cruise, and they were not quite ready for occupancy. They were in between, just getting things cleaned up. The beds made, stuff like that, but you know, like the linens are still there. I apologize for sneaking in like that, but I just had to get a peek at these rooms when it was available. Have a look at these two rooms that you can choose from for your cruise on the Carnival Sunrise. Oh yeah, just as an added bonus here, we have a short video of Guy's Pig and Anchor barbecue. Little video of that, have a look. You're going to be drooling. Again, another room. This is the bow of the ship. Corner, no balcony, ocean view, TV. Closes, very quick pictures. So if you wanted to see what the bow cabin looked like. And then back and take that. This is one of the deck 6, rear of the ship, corner room. Corner cabin. As you can see, it's a bit bigger. Not they're cleaning it up, but big balcony out the back. Huge balcony. Let's see if let's have a quick peek outside, okay? This is what you get when you pay more money for your room, I guess. Look at that. Lounge chairs, lounge chair, lounge chair. And a lounge chair. This is what you're going to get if you pay the extra dollars. Beautiful, big, huge balcony, isn't it? I mean, you got room here. Even here. I think that's what they call an extended balcony, maybe. This would be a wraparound balcony. I better get in there and get out of this room. That's it. Huge.
I was telling him you're smart. Said you have lice. get roll, and I get mac and cheese and pulled pork on one. Brisket, pulled pork, and mac and cheese. And coleslaw.
Thank you.
Coleslaw, yeah. Thank you. Take a roll. Brisket, pulled pork. Mac and cheese. And then coleslaw right on top of it. And a little bit of sausage too. Perfect. Like it. Thank you very much.